Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters.
Boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be explaining, is it worth buying a mini bike? We have two. We have Nolan's that we've got and mine. We've got these the end of summer, and we got them at a garage sale just a couple houses down. They're selling them for 500 bucks each. Yeah, 500 bucks each.
Well, we're gonna sell them like one. It's like 650 or something like that. But then they said if you buy both, they're 500.
Yeah. So we bought both, and his was brand new. It still had the wrapping on the seat. I don't even know if it had gas, but mine was used a little bit. And this is all new. This is all from us.
This was there. Where was it at? Yeah, it was like right here or something.
It was like, I think it was these were there before, but...
Oh, yeah, and this was...
And the brake lever was bent. But mine was... They said they bought them at the same time. They never used them. And, so we bought them. So I need to order just a new front fender because mine's cracked. We've been doing a ton of riding.
I don't even know how, because mine's not even cracked at all. I mean, I had this little straight.
Yeah.
And then in the back, I scraped my back fender because I did a wheelie.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been taking these things pretty rough, but they have been holding up, I think, instead of the chain tensioner.
Oh, yeah,
that went to crap on us.
And the tire.
The tire. But that's pretty much all. We've been rocking no exhaust, which isn't probably good, but we store them inside, so it's fine.
Isn't good, but sounds good, so that's all I need to worry about.
We just need new exhaust.
Yeah.
The muffler is just way too quiet for these
things.
things.
Where's yours at? The one that you like?
Well, I have a little one, but my other one just did not go with. But anyways, I'm gonna be talking to you about, is it worth buying a Coleman mini bike? Yeah, there is yes and no's. But
like if you're gonna buy a Coleman mini bike, or like a mini bike in general, make sure to get some chain lube.
Yeah.
You're gonna need that later on.
But I love these things. We love these things. We've been actually running these things back and forth to other houses because we're homeschooled, and we've been just driving each other. Not each other, but driving back and forth.
They definitely make videos too. So.
Yeah. They do well in the snow and snowy roads because of big tires, but they do not do really good in deep snow.
And
that's for sure.
They're not like a mini bike you can't just like not do mods on, because you can do a bunch of mods. Like there's like carburetors you can get, like racing carburetors.
Yeah.
Exhaust.
We do have a lot of content coming up later on with these, like mods and other things we'll do to these, but the paint right now for mine the paint just comes off, like very bad. Got that. Nolan has that, and then the back fender, there's some paint wear. It's just not really good paint, but the actual frame's doing good. The seat's really good. It starts off perfectly. They're really good to handle, and you can upgrade a ton of stuff, like the sprocket. You can get bigger to go faster.
I just figured out after I was like, my tire went flat because I don't know what happened. So we fixed it, this girl she got stuck in the ditch. We had to fix her. And then after I left, my tire was like bumping. I was like, what the heck is going on? Look back there, my tire was literally off the rim.
Yeah, his tire was popped.
Yeah, but then I found out that you can actually put studs in it, so maybe.
Yeah, so there's no tubes in these tires, so if you do want to go ice drift in with these things, I don't even put studs in them. In the tread, not the tire, but I think I'm getting probably new tread tires for these, because the front tire is a lot of tread, but the back tire,
yeah, I'll probably just keep
there's no tread.
Keep the front tire.
I'd probably keep these tires for like road wise. Swap them out for mudding but if you're buying them like off the store, they're obviously going to be a lot more, like 900 bucks.
1,000 maybe.
1,000.
1,200.
If not.
Yeah, in that range.
But we bought these for 500. They're a really good deal. And I mean, if you have the money, I would totally get one.
They were definitely trying to get rid of them if they're selling for 500.
Yeah. I mean, if they were like, if they had paint and broken fender.
You can also, you get these mini bikes, you take the motor out and just buy another motor.
Yeah, they're really good motor swaps. So you can get bigger motor.
Get a diesel. Put a turbo on it.
Whatever. But we do have a lot of plans with these, so stay tuned, like and subscribe. But I think if you have the money, I would totally buy one because they are really, really good for off-roading up in the hills. They do climb hills pretty good. They have the torque, the power. They have anything. With the stock motor, too. And the gas...
They do not hold your Sprite on the back, though.
No. The gas mileage, though, is really good with these things. I don't even know. We fill them up if we ride every day, like...
We probably fill them up not even...
Once every 2 weeks, probably.
Like, how much times have we had them?
Yeah. But we have a lot of plans. I totally recommend buying these. Or one, at least. We got both of these. But...
If you see them at a garage sale, just know they're 500.
Yeah. Garage sale find was a bonus. Because I've always wanted to actually ride one. I've never rode one and get one, but they were pretty spendy at stores. But a few houses down, we got ourselves 2 mini bikes. So,
Thanks to Blake.
Yeah. We were riding, I think, right? We
I
came
was
by.
at home and then you like sent me a picture. I'm like, dude.
Oh yeah, there's mini bikes just sitting out there. So we ripped them that day, and we just going hard every day since. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we got a lot more videos coming up. We're just wanting to tell you guys, if you're looking for buying a mini bike, Coleman mini bike, totally suggest doing so because they're really good off-road. They got a lot of capabilities if there is, I mean, you can go through snow, thin snow.
Go on the road.
They're really good on the roads and everything, but yeah. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you guys next time.
Top of my game, looking down at the rafters.